Yes, I, Sakafet. Welcome back to I Man channel. First things first, let's check the tapwati or the temperature. Now, I mean, yes, I, healthy, 80 something degrees. I can't see that well. So this is still the same. And Man, I'm beginning almost halfway through this section. So let's see what we got so far for you and for me. I got my tools here, my Swanson angle finder. That's to find the angle of your stairs. Now, I mean, it's only $8, saves you a lot of time. Okay, so here's how far I have gotten. And let me show you my work. And of course, I made a lot of mistakes. The most prominent being that one right here. I started getting tired. So as you can see, the angle is all effed up, but it's level. Where's my level? So that's my level right here. It's all leveled up. You see now, you see my man? The level, it's all level, they're all level. That's all I care about, whether or not it's level or not. I think this one is level, I'm not too sure. Level. Okay, so let me demonstrate how I do it. Once I got the hang of it, I started moving very fast in terms of a DIY person, fast. So be very careful when you're doing this. The angles are very difficult. To cut the angles are very difficult. And as you know, wood is not always straight. Make sure that you drill a hole in here before you screw this in. That one I don't care so much about, so I just put it in there. So you're gonna make some mistakes, it's okay. It's okay. But as I told you in my last video, make sure that you hire someone to do this, because this is not an easy task. Anyway, so here's what I do. I make sure that it's level on here. And of course I had some help, because that's the old one. So make sure that this thing is level on here. So like so. Okay. Make sure it's level, boy. It takes a little while. And it looks like it's level. I simply cut the line out here like so. And once you have this up and you have this thing close to you have the angle of the steps, then you're good to go. So it will all line up. This angle here, everything will line up. So let's go and cut this thing and try to do it as quickly as possible. All right. And unfortunately, I can't cut a straight line with my I can't cut a straight line with my my hand saw, or my power saw. So let's see how it works here. I highly doubt it's straight. Where's my level and my pencil? I highly doubt it's straight, but level and pencil. Okay, so then I go over here like so, and I check the line to see if it's straight. I move it up and down. And of course it's not straight. Okay, finally it's straight. It's level. It's level here. And it's level here. So let's see. I don't know how this thing works here. Up this way. As I said, it takes a little bit of time. So once it's level here, I mark it at the back, like so. I get the line, and I go back and I cut it. Okay, let's cut this one a little straight. I don't think it's straight, but let me see what the angle is. You could always measure the angle this way. Yeah, I don't know what it is. All right, so let's put it back up here like so and check the level. Line up here, so it's level, and it's level down here, level up here. So now I take the screw and I screw it somewhere in here. Okay, let's do it again. Try to put the screw over here like so. And I go back again. Where's my level? Stick my level. And I try to see if it's straight up in the eyesight, straight up there, and level straight, and I screw it in. Okay, so it's level here, and that's where I take I drill the pilot hole. I drill the pilot hole. So make sure that you do drill a hole. If you try to put the screw in, then it's gonna split. It's gonna split it right here. Nah, I mean, bro. Yes, I entertainment. Just drill the hole in there. And then this thing is not straight. And that's where we do the last part. I think that's the last one I'm gonna do for tonight before I head on in. No, not this one. I'm trying to speed this up too much and take my time. So, old man, this is what you will be doing like me. You will be doing some housework, house repairs. Old man, old gray-haired man, like myself. So before we do this, let's check the level. It's level here, level there. What's a little level there? Let's level this side. So let me stick it in. Yeah. So no splits here. It's all nicely in. Nothing in the back. Size screw is 212. 2.5 inches. Should have bought some different color screw, but I'm gonna paint it. So as you can see, I must stop now because I'm starting to do messy work like here, but that's okay. It's gonna be buried underneath the handrail, so it doesn't matter. So that's why I am stopping. Even if I make one mistake here or one here, I'm gonna find a way to spruce it up. Now I mean, yes, all right. So take a look at it from afar. Let me back up a little bit. All right, so that's how it looks, how it is looking so far. I figure I might be done by the end of the week. Make my steps look nice. All right, it's time for me to say maybe a few things in Creole. Bon après-midi à la. Aujourd'hui, je suis à travail. Aujourd'hui, je suis à travail. Je vais boire de citron. Lemonade citron. Oh ben, je vais montrer ces gens là comment moi-même ka construit bâti ouais pas ouais escalier moi-même. C'est moi-même qui a fait parce que on pas voulait dépenser autant d'argent. Et puis c'est pas un travail, pas aisé, mais comme j'ai dit autres, si nous pouvons faire un travail comme ça, timyet ou louer au monde pour venir faire, pour venir bâtir, un homme comme moi-même qui travailler comme moi-même, ça veut dire mais qui a fait mon las, qui a fait mon bon temps. Mais moi j'ai confiance en dit d'accord moi. C'est pour qui moi décider pour essayer faire et puis à présent. Quand des comment loin moi venir, moi faire timyet mistake là, mais moi savent là mon ni pour arrêter parce que c'est là moi commencer à faire mistake comme ça là, moi pas on fait sur vidéo là, même pas de las, mais il pas j'ai ou pas que ouais ça parce que quand mettre un morceau bois là, à celui pour couvertir comme ça, on mucho. On mange un si bois ça, il 4 des by 4. des bocates. On mettre comme ça. Comme ça, qui couvert là, qui fait quelque chose et puis. Ouais, qui couvert là, pas qu'à ouais ça là même. C'est pour qui moi qui vini las. Presque nan 8. Presque nan 8. Mais c'est comme ça boyer. Bois pas douette bois qui fait venir là ça pour là ah ben au moins mettez tous les outils moi dans le garage là mon fini pour aujourd'hui là mon faire l'autre mystique là aujourd'hui aussi mais ok boucher pour et puis oti bité là même c'est bité ça même mais pas toujours douette et pas jamais quoi bois même perfect parfait mon frère c'est perfect c'est parfait mais j'ai toujours fait petit mystique là mon pas que ouais ça si vous marchez sur èskkalyé-a ou pas même ouais vous avez petit way pour faire venir plus belle comme je toujours dit les pas quoi bois qui reste comme ça aujourd'hui il peut garder comme ça et puis des semaines des mois des années passées des années encore ok il peut garder comme ça parce que ça, tu as regardé comme ça presque 10 années. La montée fait. Oh ben. Si vous voulez voir comment on fait tout ça, même, allez retourner la vidéo commencer. Je vais vous montrer comment je vais couper bois, planche là, et puis je vis là. On est pour fouiller au tout. Et puis ça, pour passer fan. Si vous pas fouiller autour d'ailleurs qui est fan. Ah ben, ça c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Pour moi, boire citron parce qu'il a fait chaud. Donc c'est ça 8. Ça peut être ça 8. C'est pas 68. Non, 4 8. Ah ben, on lâche. Pour moi, on masser tout les outils moins là. Aller à dire dans caille moi, manger moi. Bon.